So if you have downloaded a project from GitHub or any other, let's say Google Drive, and if it's an Angular project and you want to run it, so I'll run this project here. It's ng-serve. So it will throw an exception. Cannot find module at Angular dev kit / build Angular package.json. All right. So how to fix this one? So what we need to do is first run this command npm install. So it's going to take some time to install the package manager. Once we are done with npm install, the second command which will run here is npm install -g at Angular /CLI. Okay. And then ng-serve -o. So the application runs successfully. So two commands, npm install and npm install -g at Angular /CLI. I'll mention both these commands in the description, and if you run them, then you can load the application successfully without running into errors or exceptions. All right.